domains. That thing is about really the convergence of two domains that tend to be thought of as separate. Essentially, you take something that's biological and something that's digital and you smush them together, like a dragonfly, for example. And what they do is take a dragonfly, obviously a biological entity, and you stick a microchip on the back of it, and it's wired into the sensors or the nerves of the biological entity. You can actually control the dragonfly. Straight integration of two things. That one's pretty obvious to people. The second one is one where you're getting really large advances in one domain that are predicated on advances in the other. So an example would be knowing what genes turn things on or off. But the only reason we can do that is because we have massive digital technology.
Yeah, they're using digital technology to turn your genes on and off. Cause disease, heal disease, cause disease, traffic you, bioconvergence, digital, beast system, AI, the beast. They look like us, but they're not us. They're transhuman.
They can actually do the sequencing, can use AI to figure out which are the appropriate genes. So you wouldn't have gotten those biological advances if you didn't have the digital advances. The third...
So for you to become an illuminist, enhanced person, Project Paperclip, Hitler Creations, Beast System, Gates is the gatekeeper. Put a skeleton key into you. Cut 13 chromosomes with CRISPR. Put 13 chromosomes of Nimrod. Trump's warp speed. Change the body. Graphinated, electromagnetic, and let's do 5G.
Way is more of a conceptual convergence. So we've tended to think of life as being sort of random and unpredictable. It has an unknowability about it. Whereas we've thought about digital technologies being very predictable and precise, like you program a computer.
They want to program you people, take over your mind, have a mind hive, and have you walking around serving these people using your body as batteries to, what? Run their system.
And it does a specific thing and it doesn't deviate from that thing. What we're seeing as the technologies converge is that we're now understanding biology. Actually, it's a lot more predictable. It's looking more like the digital technologies. We can actually program genetic sequences, we can program DNA to do specific things. So we can program organisms in the way that we used to think we could program machines.
Oh, wake up.